Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Razi Grows here. So here's a little quick case study on helium mining. Some people say it's not profitable. Some people just don't know how to make it work. But here's one of my case studies. So we purchased this helium hotspot from the eBay seller. I sent a best offer. I got it for like about maybe like $100 or so, something like that, right? Boom, that was that. Then I went over to the cable company guy, the EV cable company on eBay, and I bought this 3 dBi antenna. So this hotspot, so we set it up with the 3 dBi antenna. We put it up as high as possible as we could, and this is the current numbers that it's doing. We're averaging about 8.2 heliums per month, and we steadily stacking those. And this is another one of my case studies and stuff. I got more of these, so this is just something that we're doing over here. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get this thing set up right. If you know what to buy, how to do it, and when to do it, you get decent results. Now, we paid, let's say, $118 for this, with including the antenna. So it says, we're gonna break even in 7.8 months, which that's not really true because I know how to do something.